So let's get started. So as you see, this is our sheet that we're going to be working on today, and I'm going to be going over 1 through 8 or 10 maybe, and also conversions from grams to mole to moles to grams. So the first problem says how many protons, electrons, and neutrons does GE of 73 have? And so you're gonna look at your periodic table, and you're gonna find 73, the number 73, which is the atomic number, and you see it's on the 14th row of the periodic table, and it's a 14th row with 4 valence electrons. And the question was how many neutrons, protons, and electrons does it have? And to find the protons, you just look at the element number and you look above it, which is 32. So protons would be 32. And neutrons is the same thing because they're neutral, so it would be 32. And to find the electrons, you would get the average mass of the element and the atomic number, and you subtract it. And in this case, it would be 72.61 minus 32, which would be 41. And that's your answer. Number 2, we're gonna be working it vice versa. They gave us 14 protons, 15 neutrons, and 10 electrons, and we're gonna find what element it is, and we're gonna find on the periodic table. So as you look at your periodic table, and it says it has 14 protons, which is the atomic number you should look at, and we find silicon on the 14th row as well with 4 positive valence electrons, and 15 neutrons and 10 electrons. So the silicon, the atomic number is 14, and the average mass is 28. So 28 minus 14 is 14. So we're good on the protons and the electrons. And to find the electrons, you just do the atomic number, which is 14, and since it's positive 4, then that means you would be taken as a negative. So then 14 minus 4 is 10, and that's how we have 10 electrons. And that's how you find your answer. Number 2 is silicon. And as you see here, this is your graph. This is the dimension analysis, how we're gonna use it. So they give you 130 kilos, and that's where you start with 130 kilos, and you go in from kilos to grams. So these two have to match in order for them to eliminate, and then right here on the top it would be different. So then that's what you would end up with. And 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So that's how we're gonna put it here. 1 kilogram, and then on top it would be the 100 grams. 100 grams. And then you put that in your calculator. You put this equation and you would get 13,000 grams. And the 13,000 grams would be your answer for question number 9. Convert 3. This would be your answer for question number 9. 130 kilograms to grams, and it says how many grams, so this is your answer. For 10, this is going to be the same steps, just different units that we're using. Now we're going from, it says convert 58 pounds to grams, so now we're going from pounds to grams. And we're going to set up our our graph, again, our dimension analysis, and they gave us 58 pounds. So 58 pounds goes on the top right here. And on the bottom, 1 pound equals 453.592 grams. And so we're gonna write 1 pound, 453.592 grams. And you put that in a calculator again. As you put in your calculator, you get 26,308.3 grams, and that would be your answer for going from pounds to grams. So if you have 58 pounds, how many grams? So that would be how many grams? 11 says convert 70 degrees in Celsius to Kelvin. So we're going, and to find Kelvin, you add your Celsius plus 273, and that gives you Kelvin. That's the formula. So they give us 70 in Celsius plus 273, and if you add that up, that would give you 343 Kelvin. That would be your answer. And that was all for today of me teaching you chemistry, a little bit of chemistry.